This week has been really a blur. I don't know what's going on.
You're so precious. Okay, goodbye.
I went to my first club, had my first little party experience. It was good. The bass, I felt like my heart was beating with the music, like literally could feel it in every inch of my body. And then they have like an underground area, and we didn't really go in there a whole lot, really just like once, and then it was like 3 a.m. by that point, so they were closing. But it was like pretty much rap music, but it was good. Today I went to brunch with my friend. It was her birthday, and we went to Floor Cafe, and it was very, very pretty. They have like flowers everywhere, and I got some avocado toast, but it had like pomegranate seeds on it, and I'd never thought to put pomegranate seeds on my avocado toast. It was pretty good. So, can recommend that. And then I went to this burger place for dinner tonight with Katie, and I forgot what it was called, but it was honestly like really expensive. I did not think it was gonna be that expensive, but it's fine. We're here for the experience. The burger was really good. Can't say the milkshake was the best I've ever had, but it's okay. It's also kind of funny because in a restaurant, pretty much everybody automatically knows that you're American when you order water to drink. Literally the second that you're like, can I get some water? They're like, are you American? Yeah, I am. If you couldn't tell already. Anywho, there's a lot of like little thrift stores that are pretty cool. I found this pair of overalls that I really wanted. They're kind of different. I've been wanting a pair of overalls for a long time, but like I don't want like straight up overalls. Like I want them to be kind of different. But these were way too big, so I did not get them. I've already told like a few of my friends this, so if you've already heard it, just like fast forward and yeah. But anywho, so I'm sure it's been like in the news or whatever about the storm that's happening right now and like all the wind, but I tried to go to the grocery store and I was just trying to cross the street. Like I was about to be there, and you have to go over this little median to get to the other side, and I was like literally halfway across. Like I was on the median, and this other girl that was on the side that I was trying to get to, she was holding a suitcase, and a whole bunch of wind came and it like flew the suitcase in the air like while she was still holding it, and she was pushed into the street. Like there were no cars or anything, so it was okay. Like she made it, but like she like just walked to the part where I was at, and then like me and this other girl that were trying to go where she was had to grab onto a pole to not get blown away. And that's probably the most traumatic experience that I've had since I've been here. I have been thinking about doing this for like 5 days, and every time I go to do it, I'm just like, but room tour, let's go. Here's the lovely door, and then you walk in, there she is in all of her beauty. So we have some nice little like hooks going on. Here's my bathroom. There's me. It's pretty nice, honestly. Like, this is a nice little cabinet, got some good stuff in there. The shower's super small, but it serves its purpose. Only one of those buttons works for the toilet. It's great. So yeah, that's the bathroom. And then we have a nice, I guess, cabinet wardrobe thing. I'm not really gonna show you that because that's kind of weird. There's a mirror on the wall, which is super nice. You've probably already seen this. Have a little radiator action. Here's my, like, I guess, productivity wall. I have like my February goals that I want to accomplish, and this like chart keeps me on track. Kind of been like slowly doing better with things. Yeah, I have like an inspirational quote. I've changed this so many times since I've been here, so, but that's just what we have right now. Yeah, calendar, some nice pictures. Here's my window and me again. I did have like a smiley face going on here, but it's been so windy because my window like opens like this way, so all the wind just like goes up and they've all blown off like inside here. And I have some water like hidden back there. Some nice like shelving. I bought a few decorations. I mean, just this sign. Here's a Polaroid that we took when we went mini golfing. I bought this little coaster, and I thought it was really funny. So, yeah. Some nice crystals from my aunts. Here's like more storage. I just have like my camera stuff in here, and then like t-shirts in there, some drawers, and then there's my bed with a nice little airplane pillow. Oh, it's kind of blurry. Okay, yeah, there's my bed. I also put contact paper on these. They're like messenger boards. There's this one over here too as well. I just didn't like what it looked like, so I just put that over it, and it kind of helps the vibe a little bit more. You've also probably seen my little picture wall, but there she is in all of her glory. And then some nice shelving. I don't really have a whole lot, but oh, here's another coaster that I bought that I liked. Good vibes. I also put a little fan right here. I just used command strips because I like to sleep with a fan, and there's no ceiling fan in here. I use it literally every night. But yeah, but like when I uncharge it, when I'm not charging it, it don't just like sit like that. So, it comes in handy. Really, a lot of stuff that I got for my room is from Target, like this calendar and the fan. I bought like, I haven't used it a whole lot, but I bought this like wellness planner journal thing. You like set your intention for the day, and then like how you're nourishing your body, the movement, and then like these all have different little like prompts. So like reflecting on today was thankful for. Yeah, so that's been super nice. Like I said, I haven't used it like a whole lot. Oh, and it has like cute little quotes. but it's been nice to kind of keep track of my mental health, especially on days where like I'm not feeling the best. I can kind of backtrack and see like maybe what happened. So yeah. Oh no. I also have this cookbook, Cooking for One, and I've made little tabs on like what I can actually make here. And then I also bought this book from Target. I honestly haven't liked it a whole lot. Like, I've read about a quarter of it. I don't know. It's good, but like nothing is very compelling. It's pretty commonsensical, but at the time, like when I bought it, I was like, oh, this might be very inspiring for me to like step out of my comfort zone, but it hasn't really been that. So, but it does look kind of cute on my bookshelf, so I just leave it there. Also, another thing super nice is that there's storage under my bed as well. So like, so it just comes down like this. So I just have like shoes in my suitcases. It's just kind of nice, so I don't have to like keep my suitcases just out in the open and everything. And it like literally the whole like underside of the bed is free of stuff. So yeah, that's my room. I need some kind of catchphrase to like end these videos or like start them or something. But yeah, this month has kind of been all over the place, but that's essentially how it's gone. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time, or you will see me next time. That would make more sense because I'm just staring at myself. Okay, goodbye.